Hi, I'm Olivia from Newlyweds, and today I'm going to be giving you some basic phrases in Portuguese. But before we begin, if you want to know all about destination weddings, Portugal and weddings in Portugal, then do give this a like and subscribe down below for more videos every single week. So I thought that today we'd do a couple of basic phrases that you need to know before you come to Portugal. If you're an English speaker, you will find that in the major cities like Porto and Lisbon, and of course in the Algarve, English is really widely spoken, so you may be fine with speaking English most of the time, and you'll even find that in Lisbon in particular, even road signs and metro signs are in English. But it's always nice to know a few words before you go anywhere, and I want this to be a little demonstration of some words that you should know before you land. This is going to be a very short and basic video. If you'd like to know a few more phrases that are to do with weddings specifically, I have a video linked up there and in the description down below for you to check out too. Let's begin. Hello, olá, good morning, bom dia, good afternoon or evening, boa tarde, good night, boa noite, goodbye, formal, adeus, goodbye, informal, ciao, thank you, obrigada or obrigado, depending on whether you are female or male respectively. Please, por favor, excuse me, com licença, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. I hope you found this little video helpful. I know it's a super short one, but I just wanted to cover the absolute basics today. If you'd like to know some more Portuguese phrases, then please do let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. But for now, please share this with anyone who would like to get a small basis with their Portuguese, and I will see you next week. Bye.